In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Word to streamline your document editing process. Whether you're crafting the perfect resume, fine-tuning a business report, or simply jotting down your thoughts, leveraging advanced tools like Copilot can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into how you can initiate this handy feature in just a few simple steps. First, let's set the scene. You'll need to open your preferred web browser. For most of us, that's Google Chrome, but any will do. Within the search bar of Google, type in Microsoft Word. You'll notice that the search results populate almost instantly, displaying a range of choices. But what you're looking for is the official Microsoft Word website. Click on this link to access the site directly. After arriving at Microsoft's official page, you'll want to open your document within the Word ecosystem. If you're signed in, you can easily do this from the main dashboard, whether it's a file saved in the cloud or one tucked away in your local drive. Once your document is open, here's where the magic begins. Take a look at the right-hand side of your screen, about halfway down. You'll find the Copilot icon. It might look like a small assistant ready to help you out. Click on this icon to activate Copilot and get started with its features. Now comes the fun part, choosing what you'd like Copilot to assist you with. Depending on your document needs, Copilot provides various prompts designed to enhance your work. Whether you're looking for grammar checks, suggestions to improve clarity, or ways to creatively expand your content, there's likely a prompt to fit your needs. After selecting a prompt that suits your task, click the Submit button. This simple gesture prompts Copilot to work its magic, analyzing your document in seconds and providing helpful suggestions or edits tailored to your selected prompt. Using Copilot in Microsoft Word is a fantastic way to refine and elevate your writing with minimal effort. By following these straightforward steps, not only will you be working more efficiently, but you'll also learn to harness a powerful tool designed to complement and enhance your writing process. So next time you're facing a writing project, remember these steps and let Copilot be your guide.